Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use online feature in Vita Mahjong on your phone. Let's get started. First, open your app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Turn on Wi-Fi or mobile data. Some features like daily rewards, cloud save, or event only work when you are online. Look for daily challenges or special event in the menu. Tap them to access online only levels or bonus reward. Completing these online events can give you coins, gems, or in-game items. You can also watch short ad when prompted to get free bonus. If you log in with an account, the game can save your progress online. This means you won't lose your levels or reward if you switch device. And that's it. Even without real multiplayer, you can enjoy Vita Mahjong online features on your phone, on coins, and keep your progress safe. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.